The problem, I'll tell you where it started. I'll even show you. Development is very important, guys. Now, ball from the left to the right, from the right to the left, to the left, to the left. Hey, yo, this was an easy chance, Mfanagit. How many chances has Ushabalala got, Bafit? Mfanagit Uyakai, Mfanagit. What was the keeper? You. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Orbit College 1, Kaizer Chiefs 3. Great result for Kaizer Chiefs, back to position number 3. What confuses me or what bores me about the Chiefs is 1 week, just like Ikemia Izolo, they have a good game plan, they have a good structure, they have scripted plays, right? Scripted plays, scripted movements. Then the next game, Orbit College, on the other hand, I'm going to show you why Orbit College is down there, right? And then I'm going to show you why Kaizer Chiefs is struggling to compete for the league. Now, let's start. Kaizer, okay, before I start, thank you for your support, guys. Thank you for joining and becoming members. And even if you haven't subscribed, even if you are not a member, thank you just for watching. Let's start. Kaizer Chiefs, right? They were playing a 4-2-3-1, right? It is different than a Sundowns, the Chiefs. They had two half-turns. Which was Utuba was not playing as a winger, was playing as a half-turn. You have Ushabalala playing as a half-turn. Then they had a left winger. Second half, it changed. Mabafagwa Uvilagazi, it changed. I'll show you. But now you have Umodi playing as a winger, right? Sharp, let's go. They have two double pivots, Unobo, Nomabu, right? Here is Utuba here. This is the right back, Anit. Ulilepo was playing as a striker. Obvious, he's not a typical striker or a number 9. He just flows, he moves around. Okay, sharp. Nothing wrong with that. Now, the problem with the Chiefs in this game was they didn't utilize space. The problem is because they didn't rotate the ball. You have to rotate the ball. Any good team, right? They rotate the ball enough, even if it means Ipola Meliliele by 10, right? You at the end of the day, you will find space. Now you look at where Utuba is, right? They were playing a 4-3-3. Sometimes it changes to be a 4-3-2-1. But there was always space la Utuba called. There was always space. He will push in here. Bese kuba ne space la. They didn't utilize the space list. Cool. Another clip of setup ye Chiefs, right? How they were setting up. Now this is Utuba. I know Guti picture quality for me it wasn't nice. Now this is Utuba Ula. Then I forget the right back A Chiefs, right? Ula. There is no one here, guys. There is no one here. You look at the space. So imagine if Ipola Lila we switch it in time. Yeah? You look at Utuba again. Ball, rotate the ball. You have to rotate the ball. There's still space la, right? Ulotuzan Umunyan, yes, Umunyan. Umunyan is here all alone. You have to rotate the ball. Ipola kumelanga lihlale endaweni esayidini eliyi-1. You look at Begunqobo ukuphi. Ulilopo could have played this ball first time, right? First time. You look at the space here. libuyela kuphi ibhola libuyele emuva. We don't rotate the ball in time. Now by the time rotate, now sekunabantu this side. Okay, sharp, let's play. We lose the ball. The biggest issue Chiefs, right? It's a good game plan to overload the side daily one, and then ngapha sibabancane. It's a good tactical plan, but the problem, you have to rotate the ball. Obi College, they scored via a free kick, right? I always say, none in yards. Avoid unnecessary free kick. Was the free kick avoidable? Let's have a look. Now, ibhola le Chiefs, no pressure whatsoever, right? Play the ball here. Boo. Boo. Foul. Yes, Umsimango had a bad game. I'm going to do a player analysis, Yagamsimango, no cross, right? For the members. But let me take it back. What? The problem, I'll tell you where it started. I'll even show you. Development is very important, guys. Now watch Umunyan. This is where the problem started. Development. Right? Your first touch, guys. Your first touch. The first touch yakho izokukhipha enkingeni or izokufaka enkingeni. Laphaya imfaka enkingeni. He traps the ball, but he doesn't trap the ball ukuthi makaphakamisa ikhanda bese ayaphasa. Ultrapile wabheka phakathi. And then he does this bese khana azofuna ukuphasa. Let me show you again. He traps the ball. That's his major problem. He always makatrap ball, akaltrap aface phambili. He always traps the ball aface phakathi nendawo. Watch. Traps the ball, look where he's facing. Now watch what he does. Now he turns kana aface le, which is wrong. Remember, you have time. You have time ukuthi utrap ibhola ubheke phambili. Angithi, but when you trap ubheka le and then kana uzojika, come on. Sorry to disturb you guys. Remember last year I said I'll be doing a player analysis, right? That's only for memberships, people who are members, right? If you are a member, you can request which player do you want me to do a player analysis. Please join, guys. It's only 15 rand, or the first level is 15 rand. The startup package is 15 rand. Yes, I know Buffet times are tough. We live in a bad economy, right? But it's 15 rand. Please join. Please become a member. Extra content, right? Extra content for members only. I'll be posting exclusive content for our members only. Now, please continue watching. Now let's look at the goal. Let's look at the goal. Poor defending, poor goalkeeping. I don't know ubavuma or ubavuma ngiyaxolisa ukungalpronounce kahle. How long Kaizer Chiefs? The problem with most goalkeepers, they want to go down. They want to dive. There was no need for him to dive here. I don't know what you are doing, my man. Poor goalkeeping. Arigo crash. We're not under 12 here. This is Kaizer Chiefs. Uvimba didn't Mfanagiti. Now the problem ikale le enzansi, how we considered the free kick. Now the problem again, simakile la, and then what's happening, Mfanagiti? Ilanga liyakushisa, you can't see. I don't know. Mara goalkeeper Mfanagiti. Ibhola liye Mfanagiti. Ulilepo was playing as a striker, right? Mina guys, I don't like playing someone as a striker who is not a striker, right? It's not easy being a striker because Mawukhula udlala as a striker, there are certain elements or there are certain things that you do that someone else won't do, and that for me was a problem for Chiefs, right? I'd rather play uSilva, even though I don't rate uSilva, but there's certain things that azenza uSilva angeke azenze uLilepu, angithi. Now, rotate the ball. I keep on saying that, but another in this clip uzobona. They are busy playing the ball on the left. There's no one in the box. Now you end up finding uLilepu crossing the ball. Our tallest player, he's the one crossing the ball. How Mara Jehovah. Okay, sharp. Now, we are busy playing. Rotate the ball. Angithi ibhola guys, ibhola liyakutshela. When you keep on playing there, liyakutshela ukuthi kugcwele. Switch me. If it comes here, it tells you switch me. When ufuna sibuyela le. Now you still want to come here. Mfana kithi uhlezi mo. Look at this is uLilepu here. There's no one here, right? Yes, baya switch yena no Duba, right? Baya switch, but I would prefer him here than uDuba. This is uLilepu, right? Ibhola liza kuphi? On the right hand side. Now this is so late. It's too late. Cross. Not a bad cross. But you are supposed to be there. You are the one who's supposed to be receiving those good crosses. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but most goals our Kaizer Chiefs, they come from the right hand side. Why where? But in this time it came from the left. Ball was on the right. Rotate the ball. Stop looking for Izindeni. Rotate the ball. Now, I'm playing this before the goal. There was a cross, playing the ball there. The thing isn't up. One thing about the cross, I don't think they give him too much freedom to go forward or to make these passes, and that's why, for me, that's one of the reasons Kaizer Chiefs does not create or does not score a lot of goals on the left hand side, right? Place the ball here. Normally you won't see ama left back apasa ibola laphaya, right? Sharp. Continue. Ball comes to the right again. Tell crosser. Okay, sharp. Watch you cross. This time akalethe moyeni, uletha to feet. Mara bo obiti mara bafethu. You bought you brought a senior player, right? A senior player abomphahlele. I think that's the problem with. Okay, let's analyze this. Watch umphahlele. You can't keep you can't clear the ball. You can't clear the ball. Now let me tell you Guti, what these teams should do, right? Amatima Puma Umve, right? Or the second division. You have to get players that are hungry, not players that don't have contracts. And especially abantu abana more than 10 years with PSL. Those players are not hungry anymore. The Orbit College could have went to Eastern Downs and got one keeper, Jody February. They could have went to Pirates, Itate Usiema. When was the last time Usiema adlala? Or I say Agu 18. Yes, he's been injured, but he's back. Right? Those kind of players. You don't get players laba contract pelile. No. That's why you'll be down there. Second half, guys. Second half, the Chiefs did much better, right? I'm going to show you. I always say, Guti, decision making is our biggest problem. Yeah, every game I'm gonna do one clip of decision making, right? But let's start with a good move. ANC Chiefs in the first half. because obvious about Orbit can't press, right? You have to keep the ball. Keep the ball, keep it simple. Don't do anything fancy, just keep it simple. Sizophuma. They can't press these people. This was a good move and a great idea, just that the final pass was bad. This was the final pass. Too much speed, too much power, Mfanagiti. Now, this clip that I'm going to show you guys, it's for people who have kids or nephews abadlala ibhola, right? Even if kuneyintwana enkasihlakho ezidlala ibhola, always tell them, especially if they are midfielders, to always scan. Even if ibhola alikho kuwe or you're not going to get the ball, you must always scan, always know ukuthi what's happening around you. Tell them to watch Adams, no Allen, the Sundowns. They're always scanning, they're always moving into the right position. Now I'm going to show you what not to do. Right? Chiefs Zenzani rotates the ball. Angit, okay, sharp, simnandi. Now, ball from the left to the right, from the right to the left, to the left, to the left. Hey. Yo, let me take it back. Always scan, right? Watch. I don't know if maybe Nzokhona ukumbona, but watch Undlovu. He doesn't scan. There's a whole lot of space la. Uyi-one. He doesn't scan. Mfanagiti. He doesn't scan. He doesn't look ukuthi kunani this side. Ubuyisela ibhola emuva. Ibhola nang one-on-one la bafethu. Please guys, if your kids badlala ibhola, doesn't matter which position, but especially in the midfield, they must always scan. They must always know ukuthi kwenzakalani. Oh, I said I'll show you why Orbit College is down there and why Kaizer Chiefs is struggling to compete for the league. Naka. Goal kick. Pa. Bafethu. Let me take it back. This is the reason why Orbit is down there, why Kaizer Chiefs struggling for the league. Now, if ufuna umntwana athepe kanjani ibhola, iphase njani le? That's the first thing. Iphase njani? Now, sharp. Okay. Now, what is the keeper doing there? What is the keeper doing? Ufunani? King Toynyaka. You have two defenders here. You are making it easy for the striker to just score. That's why Orbit ilaphaya. It's because of decision making. Alnadi player is sharp. Why is the keeper coming out? Why is the keeper coming out? Then he's busy. Uchika abanye abantwana for in. Yes, they lost the ball, but when why uphuma? Then the reason why Kaizer Chiefs is struggling is because they can't convert. This was an easy chance, Mfanagiti. How many chances has Ushabalala got, bafethu? Mfanagiti uyakai, Mfanagiti. What was the keeper? You only Kaizer Chiefs. Like I said, rotate the ball. My Valilela, it's okay. Switch. Good tactical play from the Chiefs. Now, this is Usilva, right? Remember I said they didn't have a winger, Angiti. Now, these two, they've switched. That's why Angiti, sometimes you'll see them technical team here about doing something good technical structure, good game plan. Sometimes back away skate. Now, first half, this was the right back, and then this was the half 10. These two are switching. Remember, Sometimes it doesn't matter ukuthi ubani ukuphi, as long as sizoyenza our scripted plays and our scripted movements. Angithi sharp, watch. Bavulile, angithi, but I'm gonna take it back. This defending was poor, but you have to give credit to Kaizer Chiefs now. We have to give credit to Kaizer Chiefs. Good tactical play. Now let me take it back. Show you a problem. Now, ibhola belingapha angithi. Now, this is a midfielder. Angithi. Singibuyisele kancane. This is the midfielder, ne? So, Magala. Let me come this side. When he's here, he's not even standing kahle or facing in the right direction. Now, what he does, in this position, you can't see this man. There's no way you can tell me ukuthi uyambona. You are running. There's two of you here. I don't know why you are running to close down the space. There's a midfielder here. Kata yena. Change your body structure. Instead of running like this, reverse a saw. Bafethu. Then you can always turn your body, bafethu. Then he looks, but it's too late. It's too late. Because original, umdlulile, right? Umdlulile ubhekele ulaphaya. Now when he starts to make his run, when I saw ubheke, it's too late. It's too late for mama. Decision making. Hey. Obi petty ball. Bafethu. Decision making. There's no way utshela ukuthi uzo bafethu. There's nothing wrong ngokuphasela ibhola emuva. Just keep the ball. And niyazi, don't lose the ball in the middle. Now, Kaizer Chiefs attacking, right? It's 3 against 3. Decision making. Bafethu. Akusasekude la siyakhona. Keep it simple, silly. Why ungaphasi umunye umntwana la? You want to play a true pass. You want to shine. Keep it simple. This is a more difficult pass than this one here. Yeah? Pass umunye umntwana. Ke Silver Fox muthoba fethu. Ubatla umatha. Munike. Ufuna ukushaya i-through pass. One last clip bese ngiyayivala. I-goal le-Kaizer Chiefs LS3, right? Keep the ball. Sky Foster mfana kithi. Okay, switch the ball, rotate the ball. You have too much time. Ibhola liphuma ngapha. Ufuna ukutshelwa wena ukuthi thena, switch the ball. Suka midfielder, suka. Buyisela ibhola. Thena mfana kithi. Hayi. Now look what happens when we rotate the ball. When the ball moves from the right to the left, right, left, right, left. Ibhola lika right, lizoza ngapha. Kamnandi. Rotate the ball, bafethu. Goal. If you rotate the ball, there'll always be spaces in between, in the passing lane. If you switch it, bafethu, if lisuka ngapha, bazo baya shift angithi. Masibuya so, I am telling you, there'll always be spaces kuma passing lanes. Then we play it. Badlala ibhola kuma passing lane to a strike because ibhola still rotate ibhola. Ayi bara. Hey, okay bafethu. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, please like, please share, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.